Gosh, it's been a while since I've uploaded a video to my channel, but I've been working on a bunch of things, including installing solar at my place. It's just a quick video about a rather shocking video that Big Clive posted on his channel regarding breakers. I've put the link to the breaker video in question, but that video was so disturbing to me. I decided that for my PV array, I'm not going to take the risk of buying some junk breakers, and I decided to go with fuses instead. These are the fuse holders. There's two of them, and these are the fuses. As you can see, they were bought from McMaster car, and the reason is my normal supplier, when I made my order, they said they had the fuse holders and the fuses in stock, but unfortunately I got a notification several days later saying they were not available. And then this past weekend I got another email saying that they wouldn't be available for another week. So even though they were a reasonable price, it doesn't matter that they're a reasonable price if you can't get them. So believe it or not, just these two fuse holders and these 4 fuses from McMaster were about $90. But I mean, considering that we're about 6,000 watts going through this box at 400 volts, I think having properly accredited UL listed hardware in your system that is rated to 20 amps and 1000 volts is the right thing to do, and not cheap out on safety. And I guess that's why I have these safety labels on the outside. So stay safe and entertain yourself by watching Big Clive's video in the about box below. Bye.